India has always had a very meaningful role in the global semiconductor industry. We already account for a fifth of VLSI design engineers. We have very large research centers for applied equipment companies. What we have lacked so far is manufacturing capacity in India and also Indian design companies, Indian fabless companies. I think in the last 2 years, we have made significant progress on that count. We have covered what other countries have taken 5-10 years to bridge. We see significant traction on the ground in terms of semiconductor manufacturing. And over the next 15 to 20 years, as the industry continues to scale new heights, I see India's role as both a consumer of technology as well as an innovator and reaching the cutting edge of both design and manufacturing in the next 15 to 20 years.